How's that? Does that work? I think that works. What is going on, guys? Okay, so tonight there is no live. We have been here for a couple weeks and have had great internet, and it has fallen off the face of the earth. If you look around us, we are surrounded. Of course, it is the height of the big tent event. In fact, today is the first day of the big tent event. Tom and Lori that we're staying with over there, and Scott and Shauna from Jan's Road Tripping. They are already at the tent, and so no live tonight, no live glasses. No, I gotta put them on. Well, wait, I've got my exploring glasses, so we're gonna put the exploring glasses on. And I was telling Karen this morning, well, what does everybody ask about Quartzsite? What is in the big tent? So we're gonna go down and we're gonna check out the big tent. We'll show you what's in the big tent. We'll see for ourselves. So we'll see you in a minute. Bye, guys. So this is as the first part about going to the big tent is finding parking. Now we are a ways away, and this is kind of what it looks like. And so the first thing we got to do is try to find parking. And we were talking about it. We've been here a couple times. I don't think we've ever seen anybody parked this far back. And so
wow.
We're optimistic, though. We're going to try to get a parking place a little bit closer. But yeah, so we'll let you know how we do. Now, normally we don't come on the first day. We know better than to come on the first day. But we can't have our live tonight.
So we wanted to do this instead.
Exactly. It is crowded. See, park right there. Should we park right there? I like it. Not sure how we lucked out on that. Our first shot straight into a parking spot.
Wow.
It took us 10 minutes to get to the light, but once we got through the light, right into a spot. So we're going inside. We'll take you along. Hang on, guys. So there's tons of rocks. Rocks. There's even down there, there's a box of rocks for $20. Yeah, who knew? Right? But every now and then some rocks catch your eye. Look at these. Yeah. Those are pretty cool. And those are very cool too. Huh. But those aren't the rocks that we're looking for. We're looking for the tent, actually. So we're gonna skip the box of rocks and go straight for the tent of rocks. Actually, I don't know what to think. There'll be rocks in the tent?
No.
No? Okay.
I think they're all out here.
All right. Okay. We made it. We're at the big tent.
We're here. Yay!
Actually, it wasn't too bad parking today, but we just got extremely lucky. We're going inside there. We're going to show you. We're going to take you along. Hang on, guys. Cast iron or cast aluminum? Feel heavy?
Pizza side.
walk that you have, that might be a bad thing. Lots of flagpoles. One at the top of your flag. Yeah. E-bikes. I'm still working on the jacuzzi though. How we work that in. Oh, there you go. In there, and there's still more to see out here. Look at over there. Wow. But I am looking for blue dog because I need a couple parts for our blue ox, and because I need a couple little parts for the tow bar, and hopefully I can find them. I know they're supposed to be here. I just don't know how you find anybody that's here. I don't know how that works. Yeah, we'll see if we can find a program. Yeah, program's over here.
Where?
In the Quartzsite magazine tells you all that.
Okay.
Inside?
Okay. And this is what the map looks like. You've got your vendors.
Yeah, it's
Your vendor map.
Okay, let's try it again.
539. Hey,
okay.
Thank you so much.
I don't know. We think we know where they're at. Goes to show you how big this tent is and how much is going on in there, even to find a major RV contributor such as Blue Ox. We're still not able to find them, but we're going back inside. We're going to try it one more time. Right there. How did we miss them?
I saw towing bars.
Okay, that is it. We are getting out of here. We saw the Blue Ox. We got to talk to them. Ooh, it's going to get bright out here. And we got one more stop around here. But so, what did you think of the big tent?
A lot of people and a lot of really cool products. That's what I think.
Yeah, there was a lot of flagpoles.
Yeah.
Cookware.
Batteries.
Lithium batteries. Yeah, a few different. All offering show prices on their batteries.
Yep.
We are walking on the, I believe this is the back side. I don't even know which side we're on.
Yeah, we're on the back side.
Look at all the, all the generators, e-bikes down over there. And just in case you haven't seen your doctor enough, this tent right over here, which has alligator on a stick. Can you see that? Oh, and deep fried frog legs. Oh, we're gonna do that. Come on, you can do frog legs.
I already did those.
Are you gonna do alligator? Will you do
I
alligator?
already did that.
Okay.
But I can do that again.
We have to go and see if we can find the Blue Ox and see. I'm still looking for a part, but they said their main repair areas out here. And then we're going to go back there and we're going to get alligator.
Yep.
Does that sound good? All right. Well, you know we're not going to leave you out. We'll take you along. Okay, we stopped by the Blue Ox hint and they had exactly what I needed. I didn't need a brand new handle for my tow bar, but one of the handles was gone off the tow bar. And as I suspected, I went up there. I didn't really expect him to give me one, but they gave me one off of the old tow bars that's going to be scrapped, and so I have a new handle to replace. So that works. I think it's time for alligator. We have to go get alligator. See you in a minute, guys. Okay. We got alligator.
Come on, I'm right out to your right. Enjoy.
Awesome. Thanks. Oh, so there's the alligator. It's kind of small for what we're used to from Louisiana.
Right, pickles?
Mm-hmm. I am too. All right. There we go. Alligator.
Chicken is like a salad almost.
That's what it looks like on the inside. Right there. Mm-hmm. It's like a chicken nugget. Not bad. Yeah, it has about the texture. Maybe a little bit firmer than chicken, but chicken breast maybe. Gator nuggets. So that is it. So no happy hour tonight, but we're here with Jan's Road Tripping, Tom and Lori RV Life. Whoa, Nelly, and everybody say hi. Hi. Sorry we're missing you tonight, but hopefully we'll have internet again someday when all these people leave all around here. Oh my gosh, there's so many people around here. But there's your sunset, and there you go. We did get crowded. Yeah, it is. Get one more shot there. Yeah. Nice.
So I'm curious to see how you did your setup. You put this up underneath. It looks like you have the same gizmo.
Yeah.
As I do.
So we.